Welcome back to day 3. Day 3 of this Inner Balance Yoga Challenge is all about sun salutations. And if you have done already my 11-day yoga challenge from last year, you know sun salutations quite well. And I would like to give you a new challenge this time to maybe try and do them with closed eyes and let the breath be do the lead, like let the movements be led by the breath. This would be your challenge, so you don't get bored in my sessions. And for those of you who are new to this and maybe have never done yoga, I think it's important you understand the sun salutations because, let's say I'm going to do the sun salutation for Vinyasa, sun salutation A, and maybe already B. Let's see how the time goes. And feet are hip wide apart. And you bring the arms up, inhale, and then exhale, come down into a forward fold, and you can always bend the knees. We're gonna do it super slow before we speed up a little bit more. Oh, and I forgot to say, I'm Marion. Inhale into a halfway lift. Stay here. You can keep the knees bent, no problem. And then bend the knees a bit more, place the hands down and step back into a plank. Now you can drop the knees. If you were here on the first day, we already did some of that. Elbows tight, come down, low, hold, lay down, come into a small cobra, hold and breathe. And then come back up and we meet in down dog. Stay in down dog for 3 breaths. Then look forward, step forward into a halfway lift. Forward fold. And then come up into Tadasana, mountain pose. That's sun salutation A, not the Hatha sun salutation. For Hatha yoga, the sun salutation is a little bit different. Let's continue. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back into plank. Drop the knees again. Come down. Hold. Drop. Come into a small cobra. And back up into down dog. Stay. Now you can step or jump to the front into a halfway lift. Release, forward fold, and inhale. Okay, let's do it breath by breath, so a little bit faster. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step or jump into plank. Come down if you want. Leave the feet, the knees off the mat into a small cobra or a high upward facing dog. And then down dog. Here always stay 3 breaths. Bend the knees, jump or walk to the front. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. And inhale up. In Tadasana. One more round like this. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale into Chaturanga. Drop the knees, baby cobra. And up, down dog. Stay here. And again, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Inhale up. And stay here. Hands in pranam. Stay. Close your eyes. Breathe. Next one is Sun Salutation B. We will add on a few things. So the first one is inhale up, and then we sit down into a chair pose. Arms next to the ears. Just stay here and hold. In the chair pose, you want to keep the lower back straight. I tend to arch here a little bit, but it's actually supposed to be more flat. Yeah. And then you fold forward into forward fold. What a logic. Inhale, halfway lift, that stays the same. Step back into plank. And you choose if you want to keep the knees in the air or put them down into Chaturanga. And if you have the knees off the mat, do an upward facing dog. As you do the small cobra with me. You come back into down dog. And from down dog, you lift the right leg up in the air and step to the front. Drop the left heel down 45 degrees and come up into Warrior A. Stay. Let's take some time here to feel the pose. The left leg is long. The left foot pushes in the mat. The left hip pushes forward. It's not possible to have it fully in parallel, but almost. Yeah? The right knee is bent, you sink low. And then place the hands down. Step back. Come down into Chaturanga. Cobra. And down dog. Left leg goes up. Step to the front. Drop the right heel and come up. Breathe. Hands down, step back into plank, Chaturanga, Cobra, and down dog. Stay in down dog for 3 breaths. Bend the knees, look forward, jump forward. And here, halfway lift, forward fold, chair pose. And Tadasana. Okay, let's go. Inhale. Exhale, sit low. Bring the arms next to the ears. Fold. Halfway lift. Jump or step back into Chaturanga. Cobra. Down dog. The right leg goes up. Step forward. Inhale. Exhale. Step back. Chaturanga. Cobra. Down dog. Left leg up. Inhale. Exhale. Right heel down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Step back. Chaturanga. Cobra. And down dog. Stay here. 3 breaths. Step or jump to the front. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Chair pose. And Samastiti or Tadasana. Close your eyes. Now I challenge you. Try to do this round with closed eyes. Okay, I guide you through. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, sit down, chair pose, arms next to the ears. Hold a breath here. And then with the exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back into plank. Inhale and then exhale, come down, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, lift the right leg. Exhale, step forward into Warrior A. Inhale, come up into Warrior. Exhale, down. Inhale, step back into plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, Warrior A. Exhale, come down. Step back. Chaturanga. Cobra. Down dog. Stay in down dog. 3 breaths. Bend the knees. Step or jump to the front. Keep the eyes closed. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, stand up. Bring the hands in pranam in front of your heart. Keep the eyes closed and just breathe. Breathe. Thumbs are touching your heart center. Keep eyes closed. Listen to your body. Feel the sensations. Take note. And then drop your hands, slowly open your eyes. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale, hands to your forehead, to your heart, and release. One more. Head, heart, release. Last time. Hold in front of the heart, and I say thank you. Namaste. You did it. Day 3. Check. See you day 4. Namaste.